What's up, you guys? Today I'm doing an unboxing. Look what I got, a trampoline. This has so many health benefits. I've been seeing so much about it, and this company on Amazon sent it to me. I'm going to build it right here with you, do a little unboxing, tell you what it includes, and hopefully I won't go crazy trying to build this thing by myself. Start on this. In the home stretch. It was a little tedious, but easy to do, and I was able to just do it by myself. There was a part that said you might need help. I did it by myself. No man needed. If you want to check out the Tramp, it's on sale right now. Click the link in my bio. Bye, guys.